Section 6. Results. In this section, we'll focus on how to write out a clear and concise modeling results so that we can present the results to both technical and non-technical audience and showcase model performance. In this section, you will learn how to prepare model results slides. We will provide examples on how to write out 3 key components for presentation: executive summary, modeling approach, and modeling result. At the end of the section, you'll be able to write out presentation materials for a model. We'll start with executive summary slide. In this slide, we need to provide 3 categories of information. The first one is high-level business objective. This helps to address the business question: why do we need the model? What business challenges are we trying to solve? The second one is high-level analytical approach. Key information includes high-level modeling approach and how the model will be used to help solve the business challenges. The last one is the expected business impact. How much improvement are we expecting from using the model? This helps address the business question: how much value can we expect to gain from the modeling project? Modeling approach. This slide provides further details on the modeling approach. The key is to tell the audience on high level what modeling techniques we had used. The second bullet point focuses on sampling strategy, including using learning sample to develop model and using validation sample for model validation. The last point mentioned the number of variables being considered in the modeling exercise. Model summary. This slide focuses on final model variables. What does each variable mean? Its coefficient, the p-value, and its contribution to the overall score. The higher the contribution, the higher the impact of the variable on the final model score. Let me show you how to create this table. Let's open SAS program, step file developmodel.sas. Once you open the SAS program, run LifeName first. Goes to Task 2, Run Model Diagnostic Statistics section. Create the training sample. Then create training underscore sample 2. Run final plot logistic regression model. Here is the final model fit and diagnostic statistics. In this section, you'll find parameter estimates. Copy this section and paste into Excel sheet. As you can see, there are 3 model variables. Copy this section and paste. Also, copy the standardized estimates. Doing the same for p-value. To calculate contribution, the first step is to take the absolute value of standardized beta, which is 0.55541 for first variable. Take the absolute value of the second variable and the third, and sum up the absolute standardized estimates. To calculate the contribution, dividing the variable's absolute standardized estimates over the total standardized estimates. Some of the contributions should be 100%. Now let's copy this section. We can paste into the PowerPoint. This slide shows the model performance on training, validation, and cross-validation samples. The key is to show the consistency of model performance across the 3 samples. From this chart, you can tell that top 10% of model sample will provide over 100% improvement on donation amount over the random sample. Top 20% of model sample will provide about 85% improvement in donation amount over the random mailing. The goal of this slide is to show the impact of the model on improving business outcomes. Congratulations! You have completed the hands-on training on linear regression model development. We hope that you enjoy the learning experience. If you have any questions, comments, or suggestions, please feel free to email us. Our email address is contact@analyticsonlinecourses.com. Thank you.